for no $1,500. He gonna stay right there doing tricks in a cage. Nice audition though. Bye, little buddy. Bye bye. What are you trying to do? You trying to escape? Oh shoot. Okay. You got some skills. You showing out. You really trying to audition for me to take you home? Okay. Okay. That was cool. Yeah, I liked it. Thank you. That was very entertaining. Yeah, very entertaining. Thank you, buddy. Okay, you got your little one-hand action going on again. Okay. Oh shit, you got one nail. Okay, wow. You're talented. That's high-level skills. You must be a Virgo. Oh, dancing? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh shoot. Look at you, buddy. Okay. You're talented. Yeah. Okay. There you. Oh, okay.
I think someone's on my
No, I think that's just their natural instinct.
They're creepy if you ask me. They're like double jointed or something. And their necks and feet.
Bye, baby. Bye, Papa. Bye, little buddy. Bye. Nice meeting you.